You are watching the 6th part of the FreeCAD Draft Intermediate Course. After we created the hedge objects, in this lesson we will learn how to create text objects, the 101 garage, 102 storage, 103 WC. So first I will select an active layer, and this will be the room numbers layer. And to create text objects, we will use the text tool. So I will fire up the text tool. You can see at first it's asking me where the base point should be, so I will click here. And now the text taskbar shows a field to input the text. So I will type in 101, hit enter, and type in garage. And to finalize the text creation, I have to click this create text button. And it seems that nothing was created, but I've got the text selected and it actually was created. And then I can use this zoom tool to fit selection. This will do zoom to selected objects. So you can see that the text was created, but actually it's very small, so it's almost not visible. So where is the problem? The problem is of course the text size. So while having the text selected, I can go to the view properties, and here I've got the font size option in the properties. So I will type in 250, and let's say that's good for me. I will also change the justification to center, and now I can also move the text a little bit, make sure that the copy is not checked, and move it right here. So this is how you create the text, but I want to make sure that the next time I create text it's not that small as previously. So I need to change the default settings of FreeCAD. So I will go to Edit, Preferences, and in the Draft Workbench Preferences, I will go to Draft Workbench Preferences and go to Text and Dimensions. Here I set the default values for text and dimensions. So I could change the font name, and what I will do is change the font size, and I will change it to 250. And these other options are mainly tailored for dimensions, so this is okay for me. And now if I create a text object and I click here and I type 102 storage and I hit create text, you can see that this text is created with the size already assigned, the font size 250 millimeters. So now I can just change the justification and move it like so. And then I will create the third text object, click here, and this will be 103 WC, which is shortcut for toilet. And it will be center aligned, and I will also move it a bit like so. So this is how you can create text objects, and in the next lesson we will learn how to create dimensions. So I will see you then.